So the next is filters. No. So we have the sample superstore data, and the ask here is we want to see the top 10 most profitable customers, and the customer begin with B. It means there are two conditions. One is customer starting with B, their name is starting with B, and the top 10 out of those, and it's the most profitable. So it means we need the profit column. We need to apply the condition on the customers based on starting with B and then the top 10, right? So let's open the Tableau again. So are you guys able to see my screen?
Tableau, no.
Yep. So go to sample superstore connection, and now bring the customer name here, and add all the members for now. And I know the profit I want, get the profit also. So the report is simple, nothing I have done. I need the customer and the profit. So sort it first in the highest to lowest values. Now out of this, the use case is asking us, I want only those customers which are starting with B and the top 10 out of those. So it's on customer only. So you need to bring the customer column on the filter shelf and go to wildcard. First start with B. All right, then go to condition, go to top, then by field and top 10. Okay, top 10, and it is profit only, profit sum. Okay, then click on apply and okay. So you will get only B, only the customer which are starting with B and the top 10. So now again you can make it more colorful. Just place it, or maybe you can maybe you can color by sales, the which one has the highest sales have different bars, or you can put in sales on the color shells, or maybe you can show, if you want to show the values by different customer, then put customer name on the color shelf, so everyone will have a different name. You can also use the this mark card, you put the values on the text cell, so it will show you the values on the label on the top, it is coming up. So likewise we can customize the visualization for the better look and feel. Put it as an entire view, it will be coming properly, right? This is pretty much similar. So publish the same this workbook also, and the use case I will share you on the chat itself. Just complete these two today with the data sets you have and publish this on the Tableau public. I will see there, and then I will share a demo file for this. So now we will start with the next topic, which is called because yesterday we are done with the filters. We did for dimension filter, measure filter, and the spatial values which we have in the filters, date filters. But there is one more thing, is called as action filters. What are action filters? So let's suppose I have a category. And I have a sales of this. Right, so let's color it a category with the, or maybe we can have like this. So suppose if I click on the category, so requirement is, what are action filters are, when I click on any value here, the visualization on the next sheet should get reflect based on my selection here. So I'm doing an action. Action is what? I'm clicking on this bar and the data on the other sheet should get filtered based on this action filter. So if I click on technology, the subcategory under this only I will see in the detail report. So let's go here and create one subcategory report. Okay, sales by subcategory. Then go here, get your subcategory column here, and your sales. You can color your category column. Let me bring here. And maybe you can also color it by again the category. So I did the nested of this parent child hierarchy we know, and let me bring it, swap it like this. It will be visible. Okay, now what I want is when I click on the action filter. So what are action filter? When I click on this technology, the data on the next sheet will show only technology data. Okay, these will be filtered. So the filter will be on the technology. So these will be excluded. And we apply the when it go from the summary report to a detailed report, it will pass action filters, and it will filter in the action filter. It will take the value which is there on the summary report, which is technology, and when it will go to the detailed report, it will pass an action here on the filter shelf. You will observe in one action that filter will have the technology values in it. Category equals to technology will come there and will filter this sheet. So go to this sheet again, go to worksheet. You will see an option called as actions here. All right, using this action, we created action filters. So if you click on this and just go here, add filter actions. So this is called as filter actions. So out of action, when we use this option, similarly, we have highlight and go to URL, go to sheet. I will show you one by one as soon as we go ahead, but just learn right now action filters. So just click on this. We need to define our summary report and the detail report, which will be our source sheet and the target sheets. All right, so source sheet is which one? So let me unselect all first of all. My source is action filters. So just click on this and uncheck everything. Okay, so we have removed everything except this. What is my source? Similarly, go to target, select your target is sales by category. So when I click on anything on this, it should target this sheet, subcategory sheet with this. So there are many options, as you know, all fields, selected fields. But right now, my metadata is these columns, right? The metadata for both the report is 1. So I am not selecting anything selected field, but if your requirement is you are using 2 different data sets, suppose one is supermarket, other is one orders data, and from order you are going to supermarket and doing the action filter, and you know the metadata is different, the column name are different between the two, then Tableau will not be able to predict which column name you are referring here. So in that situation, go here and add your columns. You know, you can selected fields and you can add your filters here. But right now my metadata is all same because my source for both the sheet is same. So I just need to click OK. So and one more thing, let me make it as on select. Okay. So if I click on this, so it is going to the detailed report, sales by subcategory. And if you see what I've asked, what I've told you, it is on filter shelves. It will create an action filter. In an action filter, it will have category column, which we are drilling down. And if you go here and edit this filter, you will see it is passing the values of technology automatically. So because the metadata in both the file is same, so it was able to understand I need to take the category from the parent and the child. But if you don't have a same metadata, then it's better if you define your fields there. Select your field from the primary data source, or maybe you're going to secondary data source, pass on that between the, like define the condition between them, which column you need to pull. Suppose suppose similarly if I click on furniture, so it will be going up down and showing the furniture data. So this is called action filters. You're using an action. Action is one of the option or components that Tableau has, and we can use this option action filters and we can go to the report that we want to drill. Right, so you can use the action filters also in your work, in your dashboard. So once we go ahead, I will show you placement of all the reports on the dashboard, and you can use the action filter. If you click on that one graph, suppose there are four graphs in your report, you click on one graph, the remaining 3 reports will get automatically filtered with that the one you are selecting. So these are called action filters in Tableau. All right, so the next topic which I thought today is for groups and sets. Let me send in another link because in 3 minutes it will be over.